Here we are with another riveting F-150 work truck DIY video. And today we got to get this thing to stop screaming. After 8 years, the original drive belts and pulleys on this 5-liter V8 F-150 are due for a replacement. Mine's a 2018, but this video should apply to all 2015 to 2020 Ford Coyote V8s and maybe more. To allow a little more access under the truck, we're using these plastic ramps that, I get it, seem a little sketchy, so we place a couple of jack stands and a floor jack on the frame rail to be safer. Next, we move the air intake aside to allow visibility from the top, but it's not strictly necessary since we'll access everything from the bottom. And here's the new parts I've sourced from Rock Auto. Rock Auto, I'm still waiting on that sponsorship. We've got an idler pulley, a serpentine belt, and a water pump alternator belt kit. Of course, all part numbers are in the description. Under the truck, we start by getting a 15mm socket on the water pump tensioner, rotate it counterclockwise, and remove the belt. Then we use a 3/8 drive ratchet to do the same thing on the AC tensioner and slide off the serpentine belt. After we clean up the rust on the 10mm tensioner bolt, apply a bit of penetrant, and remove the tensioner. With that out of the way, it looks like this. Now we can unbolt the AC idler pulley. I suspected the noise was coming from this guy, but I'm not feeling a gritty failed bearing here. Anyway, we get the new pulley fitted in its spot. Then we remove the water pump tensioner. And now we can remove the AC serpentine belt. Over on the bench, here's our old tensioners. And here's the new tensioners, or rather, I've got 2 water pump tensioners and 0 AC tensioners. Darn. And it turns out I ordered 2 water pump belts and 0 AC belts. Double darn. So, off to the store. Here in Canada, we don't have AutoZone or Advanced Auto, which seem to be super ubiquitous in the United States. But we do have this. This is Partsource, which is kind of like the Canadian version of AutoZone, in so much as it carries automotive-related parts only, like fluids, paints, and accessories. And most importantly, they have the parts I need to finish this job. I genuinely wish they sponsored this channel, but they don't. Back in the garage, we have the correct AC tensioner and the AC serpentine belt, parts in the description. And now we can fit the tensioner in its home and torque it and the idler pulley to spec. Before we install our new belt, there's a little known secret that I'll share with you on how to treat these things so that they'll operate smoothly and they won't make a squeak. Step 1 is to give our fresh belt a good spray of brake parts cleaner and wipe it down with a shop towel. Notice the contaminants and dirt coming out? That's how you know it's working. Step 2 is to pop this guy into a container, take some motor oil, and pour in a generous quantity. Now's not the time to be stingy. Used oil's good too because the microscopic metal bearing material acts as an emulsifier, aiding lubrication. Finally, work the oil into the belt with your fingers, really get it in there. And now it's ready to be installed, no need to wipe it off. Using the convenient belt routing diagram inside the Cloys box, pause the video if you need to, we can now get our new AC serpentine belt installed. And we did need to loosen up the tensioner to get the belt routed properly behind it. Okay. Then we can install the water pump tensioner and route the belt properly, again according to our handy diagram. Finally, we can reconnect the air intake, but if you accessed everything from underneath, you won't need to do this. And there we have it, job done. Oh man, sounds awesome. With the sky-high prices of everything these days, now it's more important than ever to properly maintain our trucks so they return to us years of reliable service. As we saw with these humble belts, they're responsible for driving critical engine components like the water pump, which, if it fails, can lead to overheating and catastrophic engine failure. So a few $100s worth of parts and our time are well worth it for the peace of mind and to stop that horrible screaming. I hope you enjoyed this bit of basic preventative maintenance, and if you did, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Until next time, you're awesome, I'm mostly useless. Thanks for watching.